Hey, what's happening, peeps? What's going on in my rideshare road warriors? This is Carlton Lewis, aka Mellow Melanin, aka Mega Businessman, coming to you live and direct from Atlanta, Georgia. Posted up here at the Renaissance Waverly Hotel and Convention Center, and I just wanted to catch you guys up on the past couple of days. There have been some interesting developments as far as the rideshare thing is happening. You know, we got a lot of people going back and forth about this legislature in California about, you know, this employee bill. I don't know the name of the actual bill, what the number is, but you know, that's very interesting. And you guys know my stance on becoming an employee versus an independent contractor. I always will recommend to you guys to read Rich Dad Poor Dad and Cash Flow Quadrant, both books by Robert Kiyosaki. So it's been a couple of days since I actually made a video, and for good reason. All right, and it's not that I haven't made a video, but the videos that I made weren't quality. You know, when I say that, there was some syncing mishaps going on with the video, and the audio was crazy. So, you know, if I record the video in the car, the Bluetooth has to be on. It's so weird, man. It's how it's set up. So I didn't want to put any poor quality video out. I had completed a day in the life video, me doing some ride share. I had a pretty good day Monday. Today is Wednesday, and Monday I knocked out over $200. My goal was $275. I did about $230, and that was pretty good. And then the very next day, and I'll tell you what happened. The very next day on Tuesday, I didn't get up as early as I would normally get up, because I had a private that came in Monday night, and I went to pick him up. His plane got delayed, like 2 hours, 2.5 hours or something like that. So, you know, his plane was supposed to come in at 9:46. He didn't wind up really getting here till about 12, you know, so it was crazy. But, you know, I got him picked up, taken care of, but that means I didn't get home till late. So when I got home, instead of me just going to bed, I started editing the video that I recorded for that. The videos, plural, because it was a day in the life. So there were several videos. All right, okay, I hope you guessed by now that that video got cut off, and I'm not in the same place that I was the last time. I was telling you guys about how I came home early in the morning, wee hours of the morning, and started making videos, or I'm sorry, started editing the videos from that day before. And I'm gonna explain to you about this right here in just a minute. If you see the packages in the back behind me, then you already know what I'm doing, if you understand what this is. So I one thing I shouldn't have done is, when I got home Monday night, I should have just went to bed. You know, what you have to learn as a business owner, you have to schedule yourself out. You have to schedule things to be done, and that's one of the constant challenges that I have. I'm being totally transparent with you guys. One of the constant challenges I have is scheduling. You know, scheduling the rideshare part, that's easy, but doing other things, you know, as it relates to my day in rideshare, that's a challenge for me. So that's something I need to overcome. So what I would have done different is I wouldn't have come home and started working on those videos. I realized, you know, as I was working on those videos, that the videos were not in sync with the audio, and so that was a big problem. And I just went ahead and finished editing the videos to see what it would be like in the morning. And when I got up in the morning, the video was crappy. It was nothing that I could publish to YouTube. I mean, maybe if we were in the 70s and we were watching some kind of kung fu flick, then maybe, yeah. So I went ahead and I went to bed, and like I said, I got a few hours of sleep. I got up late, you know, which was another mistake. because the money's out here at a certain period of time in the morning, rush hours when the money's out here, pre-rush hours when the money's out here. And so I kind of got up in the middle of rush hours, and I did a few rides, nothing spectacular. Had some other stuff happen. I went and got a haircut. I did a video right after that, right after I got my haircut. Big up in my barber. Big shouts out to E Styles for hooking your boy up, because I needed it, and y'all know I needed it too. But y'all just didn't say nothing in the comments. But I don't know why y'all didn't do give your boy no love, or let me know, man, you need a haircut, dude. You look like Wolverine. So, I think I went home, took a nap, because I was extremely tired from having been up to the wee hours of the morning messing around with a video that not gonna even get shown. And so I got up, I did a few more rides, and then I had to take my girl to an appointment, and then I just shut it down for the rest of the day. It was probably not one of my better days. And one thing I can tell you for sure that I did not do is I did not get up and plan my day well. I didn't get up and get my mindset right before I started my day out, okay? And I made a whole video about that, about starting your day a certain way. If you start your day in a certain way, even if you do nothing else but just be still for a minute, collect your thoughts, and then have gratitude. Just have gratitude. Just have gratitude before your day even starts. Like I said, I did a whole video on that. I'll put a link to that in the comments. So fast forward to the day, right? So I get up, get out, head up to Cumming, Georgia, north of Atlanta. Nothing spectacular happened. Crawling around, doing a few rides here and there. Nothing spectacular, nothing big money. And so I decided, I could either play this game and try to get the crumbs that are out here with everybody else, all the other rideshare drivers, or I could go put on my orange vest and do some Amazon. All right, and so that's what I'm getting ready to do now. Getting ready to do some Amazon. I don't want to show the label thing. There you go. You see the bottom of the smile. Maybe I got a better one with the bottom of the smile. There we go. The smile, Amazon. So, and one thing I know about Amazon, even though it's a challenge to get that work from Amazon, to lock down those blocks, there are not as many Uber drivers that are doing Amazon, okay? The number of Uber drivers out here is ridiculous right now. Is there money out here? Yes, but there are a lot of drivers out here, so there's competition is a lot. So you have to get creative. When there's competition, you have to be creative. And don't operate from a spirit of competition, operate from a spirit of creativity. So what else can you do? What else can you do? What else can you do? So right now, I'm out here doing Amazon. And I tell you guys about earning more, driving less. So I know with this block, I have a 1:30 to 5:30 block that I'm getting ready to go knock out, right? So it's a 4-hour block. And I know that in 4 hours, just trying to drive Uber with all of these drivers out here, and this is a dead time, I don't foresee myself making $73.50, and that's how much this block pays. It's a flat rate. I don't foresee myself doing that. Also, I'll be sitting around in the car all day or sitting at home with Amazon. I'm moving my body, I'm getting around, so I'm breaking up the monotony. All right, so I just wanted to make sure I shared this with you guys so you guys know, where has Carlton been for the past couple of days. So telling you, be creative. I did another video. I'll put that down in there, like summertime tricks, summertime tricks and tips to still continue to make money. And you got to use all your resources, okay? So I'll be working on some other things. I'm in the market for a new vehicle too, and I want to, make sure I get the type of vehicle that I want. But in the meantime, in between time, I may have to do something different. That's a serious consideration. So I've been looking at different videos about the fare program. If anybody has any insight on that, please let me know. I have some good references about the fare program. I know I'm going to reference the people that I listen to. All right, Kimberly CEO Drive Her. She has a Uber vehicle where it's a fare vehicle. Okay, it's not Uber's vehicle like the exchange leasing situation was. I don't want to do an exchange leasing situation ever again. I know some people had good results with it. I did not. All right, I did not. Everything wasn't presented up front, And I need the transparency, just like I was transparent with you guys about like my scheduling challenge. That's been one of my biggest challenges, and I will overcome it. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this video up. The main thing, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm still in the game. Haven't forgotten about you guys. I'm making moves, and from here on out, the way I'm gonna do the videos, they will be scheduled. I have a scheduled time to do my videos, and nothing else will happen between the time that I do those videos. I will probably give you guys a recap. I'm not gonna so much worry about doing the whole day in the life thing. That's a lot of work, okay? I don't wanna make more work for myself. I wanna make less work for myself, okay? And then the editing takes a lot of time, you know, which you guys see the finished product, but it is work to edit these videos, all right? Don't think it's not, but it's worth it. Don't get me wrong, it is worth it. But right now I have to look at what's paying my bills and move everything around what's paying my bills. All right, so I hope you guys got some value out of this. Like, comment, share. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and also the little bell button, and then hit all for alerts. So hit the bell button, hit all, and then you'll be one of the first people to get notified. If you want training, coaching, look in the description. There are links in there, so it's plenty of links in the description. So I want to make it where there's no excuse for anybody to say, well, I can't succeed. If you can't succeed, you're just not trying. Okay, challenges are gonna come. Going through challenges now, but guess what? Winners, we don't see that stuff. You know what I'm saying? We look at what our goal is and we figure out, okay, well, what's the next thing? We rely on creativity. Okay, just like I told you guys about the saturation of the rideshare market. You know, do something else. Look, I'm about to start doing DoorDash again. I already have a DoorDash account. So I'm probably just gonna go and get my little DoorDash card, the little red card you need to pay for things. I'm not paying for anything out of my pocket. I'm not gonna do that. And you know, look at the market. The market will tell you what it needs and what it doesn't need. Okay, and right now it doesn't need a whole bunch of drivers to do rideshare. It's speaking. Listen to the market, adjust, and then you will prosper. All right, maybe I'll coin that. Listen to the market, adjust, and then you'll prosper. All right, you guys have a great day. Earn more, drive less. Always keep in mind love, peace, and abundance. Keep those three things on your mind. Love, peace, abundance. Love, peace, abundance. Love, peace, abundance. And that'll help you get into a state of ease and flow. All right, peace.